Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to hide apps on Android 2025 from the home screen. Let's begin. In order to hide any application on your home screen, all you want to do is select your application. For me it will probably be this Honor application. Press and hold, you can move it around, and now if you go to uninstall it, then you will uninstall it completely. However, if you remove it, the application will be gone from your home screen, but as you can see, it still will be on your application list and you can still easily use that. It's a nice way for cleaning your home screen if it's a little bit messy. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.